Understanding the phrase, house proud, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the interesting phrase, house proud. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it can really add depth to your language skills. So, let's dive in and discover what it means to be house proud. House proud is an adjective used to describe someone who takes great care and pride in their home. It implies that the person keeps their house very clean and tidy, and often spends time or money on making their home look attractive. This term doesn't just refer to the physical appearance of the house, but also to the emotion and pride the owner feels towards their home. To better understand how to use house proud, let's look at some examples. My aunt is very house proud. Her living room is always spotless. Being house proud, he spends his weekends gardening and painting the fence. You can tell she's house proud by the way every cushion is perfectly placed. These examples show how house proud can be used to describe different actions and attitudes related to caring for one's home. While the term house proud is widely used in English-speaking countries, the concept exists in many cultures. It's interesting to note how different cultures value home maintenance and decoration, and how this is reflected in their languages and everyday expressions. Remembering new phrases can be challenging. Here are a few tips. Associate the phrase with someone you know who is very attentive to their home. Use it in your daily conversations or write sentences using house proud. Listen for the phrase in English movies or TV shows. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, house proud. Remember, learning a language is all about discovering new ways to express ideas and emotions. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using house proud like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.